as a request, I'm trying to make myself sneeze and then hold. Oh. I'm trying to make my. Oh no. I'm making myself sneeze and then I'll have to hold it. Oh no. And then the request is that I'm gonna hold back my sneezes, but I'm gonna sneeze. But I don't think I have sneezes that can't be held back. Oh, I can't sneeze again, but I'm trying very, very hard to hold it back, but I'm not. I'll have to practice a lot more times, I think, before I maybe can succeed. But it's trying to hold back and makes me only succeed in stifle some of them, and that's making my nose running. Oh no. Sorry for that. Trying to hold back and stifle makes my nose running a lot, and oh no, I'm gonna sneeze again, but I'm trying very hard not to, but I'll have to blow my nose a second time. Then I'll try one more time. But I don't think it succeed. No. Oh no. I don't. I'm gonna sneeze one more time, but I'm trying. Oh no, I think... Oh no. Sorry for that. I had a feeling that trying to hold back and stifle are just making me sneeze a lot more. Oh no, a lot more. Oh, maybe trying to hold back are making my sneezes more powerful. I'm doing very bad at this. Oh no. Oh no. Just one more time and then I'll... Oh no, not yet. Oh, wait a little. Oh, I succeed in holding back this time. But it only... Oh, my eyes are watering too. I'll have to sneeze one more last time, I think. Oh no. Oh, it's driving me crazy. Oh, I blew my nose last time. Oh. The only thing I succeed in is making myself dizzy. Sorry.